Hi, what's up, dear friend? How are you, dear all? Here, just some comments. Shurat Roshol Blob. I don't understand your comments and no sound. I don't understand your comments. Please, they are all English text. Thank you so much. Hi dear all. Ripson Oliveira, Brazil. I am from Bangladesh. So how are you, dear all? I think everyone good. I pray for dear all. So now I measuring the MOSFET. So here some MOSFET, but this MOSFET is problem. So I measuring the carefully. Please see the multimeter. I think you can understand good and bad MOSFET difference value. So here same two MOSFET. Now I am measuring at first multimeter terminals, black terminals is connected the source and red terminals connected drain. Here some value is displaying. Now I change the terminals. It's not value, is no value. So here is no value and is no value. So here this is value show in the meter. Now it is problem, and when I reverse connections, then its value show. So I think this MOSFET is problem. Now I a good MOSFET is put in here and another MOSFET here and measuring the against. Please show the multimeter value. It's okay. And when I reverse connection is not okay, and another terminal showing is not okay. So this MOSFET is good. Now put in the tables. So after I against another MOSFET, and measuring this value. So it is no value show. When I corrected terminals to show, then it's properly value show in the display. So now reverse connection is not okay. So this is good MOSFET, and another was measuring same process. It's okay and it's not okay. Both type of value show in the display. So it is fault, and I measuring the good MOSFET. It's okay. No value show. So this MOSFET is okay. All MOSFET check to same process. Okay. 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 And okay. So bad MOSFET is not okay. Please see the measuring the value. When I reverse terminals connections, values show, and forward connections show, value show. Now I last MOSFET check, it is different type of MOSFET. It is IRF 150M. So this MOSFET measuring, please see the meter, not show, but here just one position is show the values. Now we testing all MOSFET. So all MOSFET are okay, just not okay for just not okay one MOSFET. This MOSFET is not okay. We measuring it again. So now we multimeter terminals and show the two 6 3. Yes, one side it is okay, and another side when I measuring, this is not okay. So dear friend, I checked it just AC to DC voltage when I AC source in source terminal connected and drain to positive terminal connected. I think output is some voltage. So now it's okay. This MOSFET we testing the AC source. When we AC source the MOSFET, then we get the DC voltage, and how to it possible we measuring the system, and we measuring the voltage. Here one terminal it is 142 and 142. This is diode. So when I plug in the diode, some process maintain, then its output to terminals is positive source, no, negative source available to terminals, and middle point is AC source or negative source provided. So this is diode, diode symbols. Okay, and here this is L7805 CV DC voltage regulator IC. We now connect connection of this IC. Now MOSFET connected. This is MOSFET. So we testing all MOSFET is good. How we measuring the IC? So show the video how to sense, how to check IC. Please see the IC ULN2002A. So this IC models, this is 16-pin IC. So we checked it, it's good or bad. So now here terminals 1, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we connected the pin number 9 to multimeters 1 terminals. So now we connected pin number 9 and we measuring the value. We selected the multimeter diode mode terminals and we measuring the IC. At first I connected the pin number 9 and we 16 number pin 1 pin, it is a diode mode 444 value, it is okay. Next okay, 14 terminals okay, 13 terminals okay, 12 okay, 11 okay, 10 okay. Guys, this is output terminals. I am measuring the terminals is output. Now another terminals is not okay because this is another terminals is not output, it is. So I measuring the pin 9 and 8. When I measuring the 9 and 8, it is some value showing the display. It is power source. This IC on source is 8 and 9. 8 is grounding and 9 is positive source. So now I again check the reverse type up. It is not show the value, but it is not input showing the value and it is not output showing the values. So we measuring the IC. This IC is good and I measuring the another IC. So wait and show the video. It is good or bad. How to measurement IC ULN 2002, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004 and 2005. Same process of IC test, good or bad. So now we connected the black terminals of multimeter is 9 nong terminals, and I showing the 16 nong terminals. It's okay. Some value is showing the multimeter. So okay. After 15 nong pins show, okay. I showing the against, okay. After 14 nong pins, okay. 16 nong pins, I firstly measuring 16 nong pins, okay. 15 nong pins, okay. 14 nong pins, okay. 13 nong pins, okay. 12 nong pins, okay. 11 nong pins, okay, and 10 nong pin is okay. Now we output side measuring, I think is not no value show because it is good. So when I pin nong 8, then it is some value show because I see 8 and 9 nong pin is power on the IC supply voltage. Okay. Now reverse connection measuring is not value. When it show the values, must be problem the IC. Thank you. So we understand that the one IC is good and one IC is problem. So here this IC is good, but this IC is problem. Please show the multimeter. It is work. No. So it is good. Good. Okay. 2 IC, both IC is good. So now both IC is put on the here. Now I put on the some IC is okay. I measuring the transistor. How to measuring the transistor? Please see the multimeter displays. So here PNP and NPN transistor measuring the meter. So here written ECBE. This is E emitter and C collector, B base, E earth or emitter, earthing. So I have a transistor. This transistor value is BC547. So BC547 name of the transistor. So we know that the MOSFET transistor pin nong. Here left side is 1 nong pin. 1 nong pin is collector and 2 nong pin is base and 3 nong pin is emitter. So here input is left side collector and output side is emitter and middle terminal is base. So okay, now we testing the circuit and we testing the transistor. So this is NPN transistor because we measuring it at first, then we know that what is this type of transistor. Here we terminal show the 440. It is 440. So this is best to MOSFET emitter to collector, and when we collector and base is not show values. So now we testing the circuit. So it is NPN. So now the testing. So it is collector base emitter. So here we testing is not properly work. So we are moving the MOSFET and test again. Never value shows in the display, but we know that our selector switches need SFE functions. So we selected the SFE functions and I against NPN emitter collector base point show. So here some when we collector base emitter, then it is properly work. So now it is some measurement and show the value show the transistor. It is this transistor is not work properly PNP or NPN system. So it is shorted, and when I provide it is not work, value is moving. So now when I properly one nong terminals is collector and 2 nong terminals is base and 3 nong terminals is emitter. So we collector connected here just one terminal left side to one terminals empty and right side terminals, allow it. After we power against, then it show the values when are we up in the disconnected the transistor, then the it is 00. So I again the transistor point, then it is show the value. So it is very easy process of measuring the MOSFET, sorry, transistor. So I measurement against, it is very easy process, MOSFET measuring system. They are all, I think you are now understand how to measure the transistor. Very easy process measuring the transistor. So when we measuring the transistor, how to find out collector, emitter and base. Let's go. We measuring the value, how to output and find out emitter, base, collector. Now I put on the multimeter black terminals, middle point, and here on terminals it is not show any value, so here value is show. Now we fixed the value. What is the value digit show? 441, and we change the terminals multimeter, and we again measuring 441, and it is emitter point because the value is high, base to emitter. So now this is emitter point, and middle point is base because middle point base is common. So it is commons. Okay. Now we testing against. It is NPN transistor. So we again measuring. Please see the full videos. Now we selected the value. It is perfect. Okay. When reverse connection is not okay because it is just one way. Okay. So we understand that how to measurement the transistor, MOSFET, IC. Now I put in the all parts and we measurements one IC. It has no I don't show this IC, but now I showing the IC, so I measuring the IC. Please see the carefully full videos. This is IC models is ULN2002A. So we know that IC point measurement is starting when the dot and U-shaped here left side to start 1. So left side here, this is left side and 1 terminals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we checked at first this IC source. So this IC source is 8 nang pin and 9 nang pin. So power source 8 nang pin and 9 nang pin. So I at first red terminal showing the 9 nang pin and black terminal showing the 8 nang pin, and it is just show the beep sound and signal maybe on, please. It is shorted. It is 100% shorted. Short problem. This is problem. So we very easy method checked the IC. This IC is problem. Okay. Now this IC is being broken because the IC is problem, so it is not use any circuit. This IC we put on the dustbin. Now we reuse, not in reuse the IC, we measuring the voltage is MOSFET. Now this MOSFET is here and this MOSFET is problem, but I testing it, so it is put in this side and it is multimeter, very easy method use, and paradise loops. Thank you, dear friend. I favoring from 2 days. So pray for me, dear all, and everyone can electrical and electronics circuited. If you use and check the circuited, then electrical and electronics process. So now this circuit we make for his method. Okay, you can now understand of this matter. I think you are understand, but I will do the next live for MOSFET use and how to MOSFET work. Please see the full videos carefully next live. So here is timer. This timer, how to work the timers. So wait for timers project. I will show you how to work the timer project and timer parts discussion. All timers are available here. And what is this timer? This is only timer. 220 volt AC is timer's power supply. So here diagram is source is 220 volt AC. Here written 220 volt AC. So okay, they are all. Everyone, God bless you, and I will back to next live morning. So thank you, dear friend. Goodbye.